This is Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here talking about a yarn bobbin or a butterfly, and that's what it looks like. And a lot of people make these so that they can be used in color work to kind of keep your yarn neat, and it's a way to have your yarns tidy while you're doing color work. And this strand would be connected to your actual knitting, and you can see that it pulls very easily. It just slips right on out. So that is what we want to make. So when you're doing a yarn bobbin, you want to you look for your tail, and this would be your working yarn that is attached to your project. So think of this left hand side as the work that's attached to your project. And then you can just do figure eights, and you can use as much or as little yarn as you would like to. And you would just keep doing that until it gets the proper width, the thickness that you want it to be, or the yardage that you want it to be. And then you can just use a slip knot to tie it off, and you can either take this and cut it and just pull this yarn through, or yeah, that's what you would do. You would have to cut this and then just pull it through. But that is how you make a butterfly.